everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing to Laravel 11 full course and this part 44 real-time validation of email with Ajax and Laravel 11. This is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started Apache and MySQL and this already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate _Lara_11. This is a database name and this click this user table. Inside this multiple role wise is available admin, agent and user. This multiple role wise is available. First of all, this admin login. This my project is available. This Gem folder inside this htdoc directory inside this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. This directory inside this my project open. This command prompt open this project directory inside PSP artisan server and enter. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Admin login and this is a login screen is available. Just click this, copy this Gmail account and password is a 123456789 and click this login and not now. Let's click this user and the sidebar menu is available. Click this user inside this click this add user. Inside this validation is a implementation. This gmail.com is not available. This is inside. Let's copy this Gmail account, send Gmail account and paste here. This is not a working message. Step by step this validation is implement via Ajax. First of all this copy this URL and this is a get method route inside this web.php open and this is available. Admin controller open inside this function is available. Admin controller app http controller and admin controller. Find this admin add user. This function is available. Let's copy return view, resource view, admin inside this user inside this is add. Click this add and this is available email. Let's change inside this 123456. This is implement and refresh this page. Successfully this is available. This good. This is available successfully is fine. This remove and save file and refresh this page. Successfully this is remove. Good working. Step by step inside this is implementation. First of all this is open. This layout means is this dashboard. This is my app file. This is your app file. This yield inside this available. Same here, copy and inside this paste here and this is a name sense. This is a section and section start. This is a script is a implementation. Successfully this is a script is available. Let's open this file is available. This name email. Inside this step by step implementation. Save file and refresh this page. Not a sense as it is working good. Step by step this is a set duplicate email check. Old one blur is equal to duplicate email. This is a duplicate email sec. This copy and this is a new function create. Inside this new function is a create function paste here element and this is a step variable new create email is equal to dollar this, no, not dollar, element same name is a copy and paste here, dollar val. Let's check this alert. This is a email check. Let's copy and paste and close this. Save file. Let's check, refresh this page. Inside this email check, email @gmail.com. This is a fine. This is a available admin@gmail.com. Good. Let's inside this sense, and this is a available. Successfully alert is a show. Inside this add and this click and successfully working. This is a alert is a show. Outside, this is outside is a click. Outside is a click is a working better. This otherwise not working. This outside click. Let's step by step. This is a successfully set, and this next is a implement. $Ajax method is a post method, not a get method. This is a type. Type means post method. Post method type is a post. URL check email and this dash data is a set data, and this is a set. This name is a close. This inside this close, the same name is a email, and the same name is a email. 2 times is a email. Let's token inside the set crf token field, save file, crf token field, save file. Data type JSON, and the success function res successfully set. Less error function jqxsr, and this is a extension. This is a error function set. Let's copy this, and this method is a post method. This method is available post method. Let's copy and web.php open. Let's admin role inside. This is a user. This user update, user check status. Let's inside this route get paste here. This is the same function, copy and paste here, and this admin controller class, and the same here function, and this is same here copy and paste, and this is a different, not name, only email. This is a capital words email, and close this. Let's copy this name, and this is a post method, not a get method, post method. This is available post method is a implementation. This is a post method. Let's copy and admin controller open inside this public function, paste here. Let's request $request. Successfully $request is available. Good working. Let's inside this is a table is available. This table is a user table. This table is a user table is available, and this user table inside this field is available email field, and this field is a check this email field. Let's user inside this available model inside this is a user table. This is a by default Laravel user table is available. This by default Laravel user table. Please check this previous all video inside. This is all created. This is not good. Let's copy, and this is a user table is already included. This is a inside this user app model, inside this user model. The same here, copy user model. Inside this available table name is this field name is a email field. This paste here. This is a paste here. Inside this field is a available email field. Let's dollar new variable create dollar email is equal to request dollar request input, and this is a field name is already implementation. This is a copy email. This is a post method email, and this close this. Where and this field name is a email, and this is equal to this email. This is a email is a sec, and this is a first is a set, and this is a new variable clear dollar is exist, and this if dollar exit is a set copy, same name is a copy and paste, and this name is a return response JSON array set, and this exits message is just true. Same here, copy and paste here, and this is a close this and false, else part else and false. Save file, and this is a close. This is a part is a done. Please writing this is a part is a working fine. This is a done. Let's open this file. Inside this is a exit point is a set. Let's exit point is a implementation. This is a exit point is a set. This copy same name, and inside this is a paste here. If dot this paste here, and same name is a copy and paste here, and this is a duplicate email share. Else dollar duplicate email check. This is a duplicate email. This is a dollar dot duplicate message. This is duplicate message, and this dot html set. And this is a blank. Let's same here, copy and paste here. This is a that email is taken try other. This is a set. Please writing this step by step. This is a successfully done. This is a good. Let's save file, and this copy, and inside this email is available. This email is inside this available. Duplicate mail is a sec. This style color class and paste here. This is a duplicate email is a paste here. This is a working, find this working, and this is a function is a set. This function, and this URL, and this is a available. This is a part. Let's check this step by step. Let's refresh this page. This message is inside. This is not available. Let's admin. This is implement gmail.com. This is a not a message. This is email ID is a not available. Let's this email ID copy agent@gmail.id. Copy this email and paste here inside. This is a sec. Please wait. This is a already taken another email. This is a working fine without refresh. Let's admin. This is a already available. This ID is a not available. Let's check this. Check @gmail.com. This is a not available. This ID successfully this implement good. Let's implement admin. This is ID is available in database. Please wait, this is a database is a secadmin@gmail.com. This ID is a same here, copy and paste here, successfully available. Let's inside this is a implement 999 and let's check this as it is. This is a database is a forest loop is a working check. Please wait, this is a check. This is a not available. Let's this you check this user. This user is copy and paste here, and this is a Gmail ID is a available, taken, good. And this is a set, and this is a Gmail ID is a not available, good, working. This is a fine. Any doubt, so please contact this my error solution code official channel. Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available inside this. Lost of project is available. This my official website. Please subscribe and click the bell icon inside. This is a official website. Facebook, Instagram and GitHub page is available. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.